Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Gramma in a Box. And this month it is dog and cat themed. You get some cards that tell you all the ingredients in case there's any allergies. The first project is called Pet Paws. All the ingredients on the back. And then the second project is cookies. Then we also have all the social media sites. You can see her doing demos of the cookies and decorating ideas on there as well. So we got some M&Ms, some melting chocolates, and some cookies. We have bones, cats, dogs, 4 different icing colors. This is just an extra little bonus treat in there, some little candy that is shaped like dog bones, some Rice Krispie treats, and some paw print cookies, and then 4 different varieties of sprinkles, or 5 different rather, and some parchment paper. For the first project, you melt the chocolate and add in the Rice Krispie treats and mix those really well until everything is coated. Then you put a little spoonful on the parchment paper, kind of form it into a circle, and then you can take the M&Ms to place it on there to look like a paw print. So I normally do like 1 or 2, and then I let the kids do the rest. It's kind of struggling with what a paw print looked like in my mind, but there is a picture of it on the recipe card. Next, we decorated the cookies, and it was just me and Raylan today. So I made a little doggy. I'd say I did about half of them, and she did the other half. Here's how our treats turned out. I have a cat and some paw prints. And the little dog bones, I wrote their names on it. So yeah, if you guys would like to sign up and get a subscription, I've done boxes for this company for quite a while, so I do have a playlist if you want to see other examples of past boxes, and everything will be in the description box below. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.